Hello, teacher and friends. My name is Juan José Quiroz Hernández. My student today is about comedy. I like comedy because in very interesting in what about three famous comedians, Chumel Torres from Mexico, Loquillo Flores from Colombia, and Kenny Bell from United States. Let's start. What is comedy? What is comedy? Comedy is when people make jokes. Some comedy about politics, this comedy political satire. After comedy dark humor, they talk about difficult things with funny white comedy is like a Mario forward. I'm taking the track with style. No leaks fierce comedy. Chumel Torres from Mexico. First, Chumel Torres in from Mexico is a was very famous show in YouTube called El Pulso de la República. Chumel Torres is very funny and very fast. In check about in government and the news. You people in Mexico love in because it's honest and use it as its humor to sidewise things political and it's very important and for Mexico digital media. Loquillo Flores. Second, it's up Loquillo Flores. He is from Colombia. He is master of music and jazz. He was eh, character Khaled y Rasta cuando Loquillo makes song about in problems in Colombia and take about inequality and social injustice in Colombia like and difficult but Loquillo uses humor to help people feel better. It's very creative from comedy. And there's if Kane Pell, three have duo from United States, Cherk Knight, Kane Mitchell, Keegan Mitchell Cave, and Jordan Pell. They make short videos kind of sketch. They talk about racism identified in America. For example, they have funny video about President Obama. They used humor to show the something in society are not fair. They very famous all over to the world. Comparison. I noveled comparative from Chumel Torres, used internet for news in Mexico. Loquillo Flores used musical character in Colombia. Kenny Bell used short story in the United States. I am three different about they have think I common take comedy to talk about important problems. They have think about crimes like about drink like be with love. In conclusion, comedy it's not just for lame, it's for free speak comedy like Chumel Torres, Loquillo, and Kenny Bell are very important. They help you use the political subject and think comedy makes the world better. Please because Intel throw down. Thank you, thank you for listening to present. Three reference used from YouTube about both comedy and hard question. Thank you very much, teacher. Have a nice day. Goodbye.